Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about Haemocytometer. Haemocytometer is nothing but it is a cell counter. Using the haemocytometer, we can count the number of cells in the given media. So, what you have to keep in mind is that number of cells in 1 ml of cell suspension is equal to average number of cells into 10 to the power 4. Now, I will tell you how to find out this average number of cells. Okay, so moving on to the next slide. As you can see here a picture which comes if you observe the haemocytometer slide under the microscope. So these rounded structures are nothing but cells. How clearly it is visible under the microscope so that you can easily count the number of cells. So how will you get this under the microscope? For that you have to make a mixture of cells. Suppose there is a cell suspension cell suspension of volume 5 ml. Okay, of volume 5 ml. Here you have got the cells in the media. Okay, so what you do from this cell suspension, you pipette out 20 microliter and you put it on the haemocytometer slide. Haemocytometer slide looks like this. There is a cover slip in between the haemocytometer slide and you put this cell suspension in this groove. Okay, so when you put the cells spread over here and this is observed in magnification under the microscope like this. So for getting the average number of cells, you have to count the number of cells in this quadrant. This is quadrant number 1. Similarly, on the right hand side, this is quadrant number 2, this is quadrant number 3, and this is quadrant number 4. So you have to count these rounded structures which are nothing but the cells. So you start counting like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in this way you count all the cells and suppose there the number of cells in the first quadrant is 23. Similarly, if you count the number of cells over here, you may find 22 plus 22 in the third quadrant, 22. Okay, in the fourth quadrant, let's suppose number of cells is 21. Okay, now you will divide it by 4 and you will find the average number of cells. So what is the average number of cells here? You find that 22 is the average number of cells. In this way, you put the number of cells over here 22 and you multiply it with 10 to the power 4. So this much number of cells are present in 1 ml of cell suspension. But here you have dissolved the cell pellet in 5 ml of media. So how much cells are present in this 5 ml media? So you will do nothing. You will just multiply it with 5 because this is number of cells in 1 ml. If you divide it with 5 you will find the number of cells in 5 ml. So this much cells are present in the 5 ml of media. In this way you count the number of cells. Now you will be having a doubt in your mind that why are you taking 10 to the power 4 as a factor over here? So it is nothing but it is the volume of the hemocytometer slide. Okay, as you can see here, each box, this is 1 millimeter of length. Similarly, from here to here, it is 1 millimeter in length, and the depth, as you can see here, that there is a depth over here. So this depth is 0.1 millimeter. So in this way, if you calculate the volume by using the formula LBH, you find that the volume is 0.1 cubic millimeter. When you convert it into ml, you find 10 to the power 4. So from here, this factor comes. I hope I have made you understand about hemocytometer, how to use it, and how can we use it for cell counting. Okay, the hemocytometer slide, as I was talking about, this is the hemocytometer slide, and there is a cover slip over here, as you can see, and it is the structure which you observe under the microscope and you find like this. So number of the cells will be like this round structures. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in this way, and you count the number of cells in this quadrant, here and here, and you find the average number of cells and you put it in the formula. So this is the easiest way, and we use it while we do cell culture, because while plating we have to find the number of cells, because there is a seeding density. Okay, I'm taking you to the that slide. As you can see here, in the 6-well plate you seed only 0.3 million cells. Okay, so for that, how much volume you have to take, how much volume contains this much number of cells? You can do this only if you count the number of cells. Okay, so this is highly used in cell culture while doing cell plating. I hope it is clear now, and that's all about today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.